Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be doing the battle of the boxes. I have my lovely Birchbox and I have my Macy's Beauty Box for the month of March. These boxes both are $15, so I thought it would be cool if you were contemplating which $15 box to get. If you should get the Macy's Beauty Box or the Birchbox Beauty Box. Which one would be a better value for 15 bucks? If you're curious to see which one is better, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so I feel like the Macy's Beauty Box, if I had to choose, if somebody said they were going to give me a Birchbox or a Macy's Beauty Box for free, which one would I choose? I would probably take the Macy's Beauty Box. That tends to be my favorite out of a lot of my makeup subscription boxes, although last month's Birchbox was amazing. But I'm curious, we'll see. Maybe this month around things will be different. So I'm going to start with my favorite, even though last month's Macy's Beauty Box wasn't a no-go, but you never know, things could change. So I just opened the box. This is what she looks like when you open her up. Alrighty, so this is the pamphlet. As always, they always give you a $10 off coupon. Wait. Oh, this one is $10 off 40. Because I was going to say they normally give a $5 off. This one is $10 off 40. So, not too shabby. I may use it. I have all those $5 offs and I honestly, I can't recall ever using them. I always forget that I have them and by the time I remember I have them, they expire. But I'm going to take it out. I remember one of them, I just threw these out. I threw it out and then I'm like, oh my gosh, I had a coupon in there. So now I take it off right immediately so that way I don't throw it out. And if you want a little cheat sheet of what you're getting, you'll see everything on your little card here. And it's always in pink. This feels a little heavy this time around. So let's see what I got. Alrighty, whatever's in here smells really good. Alrighty, so, I got some good stuff in here. Alright, Macy's. So the first thing I got is from Rituals. It's the Ritual of Sakura Foaming Shower Gel. So she looks like so. So I'm looking into the monitor to make sure you guys got a clear view of it. But, this is, it says Sensational, not Sensational, Sensational Foaming Shower Gel, and this is by that scent Cherry Blossom, which smells really good. I've smelled all of the scents from Rituals, but I love this scent in particular. I actually have some Cherry Blossom stuff from Rituals, so I'm excited to use this because I don't have their foaming shower gel. So first thing right off the bat, I'm loving. It looks like I got an eye mask, a cold eye gel eye mask. So super excited for this. I have a couple, but I never use them, but maybe I'll start using them. This is what she looks like. Just chilling.
Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cooling, all super.
What song was that from? Kudos for who knows what song that's from. Alrighty, so yeah, I guess you put this in the fridge, and then when you put it on, it's cooling and relaxing. Alrighty, so far 2 for 2. The next thing I got is a fizz. I think that's what I'm smelling right now. It says Harper Ari Uplift Blackberry Fizz. So I guess this is like the little things you put like in your tub. And they fizz up. It's like a little, I wonder if you could break these up and just put them in the tub. Yeah, I'm sure you don't have to use the whole thing. But excited for that because I would use that. So far I'm getting stuff Not stuff I would typically buy for myself, but I would definitely use everything. So I got this small little thing here by Centered. It says De-Stress Therapy Balm. It has chamomile, neroli, mandarin. It says travel-friendly aromatherapy balm to help you stay centered whenever. It says whenever. Literally, it says it twice. Stop, inhale, and reset. It says you can put it on your neck, you can put it on your temples, and you can put it on your wrists. Alright, so I'll put it on my wrist and I'll take a little sniff of this. This would probably be weird if I'm walking around like sniffing something, but that's what it's supposed to be for, a de-stress therapy balm. So let's put that. It says you could do it on your wrist, so I'll put a little on my wrist. Whoa, that was a big whiff of it. It smells very manly. Like, it smells like musky. What's in here that smells musky? Maybe the mandarin? I don't like the smell of this. I mean, it ain't doing anything for me now. This is the brand. It smells like manly. I don't know if I want to walk around smelling like that. But yeah, that's what I got. I got a Peter Thomas Ross Cucumber Gel. Is this a face mask? I think so. I always want to try this, but I never bought it because I always want to try like a mask from Peter Thomas Roth. I heard their masks are really great. The next thing I got is a Mario Badesco Chamomile and Lavender spray. So that I guess that kind of goes with this de-stress balm. I love these sprays. Smells like lavender. Yeah. It smells like lavender. Very nice, I guess, if you want to spray that at night on your skin, help you calm down for night. The next thing I got is Glam Glow Super Mud. It's a clearing treatment. Oh, I wanted to try this. I have like so much Glam Glow samples, but never the one that I wanted a sample of. And this one is a clearing treatment. So I'm super excited to try this out. Yes. So I definitely will be using this. Alrighty guys, so that was it for the first box. What did you guys think? I love the spray, even though I have like 2 of these already, but I will use it. I'm excited to try this, the Rituals Foaming Spray, because I've never tried that before. I've always wanted to try Peter Thomas Roth's mask, so I'm excited to try that. I guess we all could use a distresser, so I'm excited to try this. And I wanted to try this mask from Glam Glow. We could all use this to relax in the shower, so who doesn't like to relax? And I'll put this on when I'm relaxing in the shower as well. So overall, I would give this a... I didn't love it that much to give it like an 8 or a 9 because there's no makeup items in it. So I would give it like a 7. As always, I always say there should be at least 1 makeup item in a beauty subscription box. So for that, it doesn't get anything high, but I still think 7 is good. 7 is still good. Alrighty, so that was the Macy's Beauty Box. The next one is the Birchbox, which is the same price. It's $15 a month. This is a monthly subscription box, just like Macy's is. What I like about Birchbox is they always curate 2 boxes, and you get to choose like which box out of the 2 that you want to pick, or you can say you don't want the box and pick like a full-size item, which is kind of cool as well. So I always pick a box so I can have content for you guys, but I picked the 1 out of the 2 that I like. So this is the box for this month. Very colorful, very festive. It's actually kind of matching my nails, my little Easter nails here. But very cute. I'm here for it. We have a little card on the top with the things in here and the prices. That's your sneak peek. Alrighty. I have a Wonder Beauty Gold Eye Matte. I love these. I've gotten these a couple times in whatever subscription box I get because I get so many, but they're real gold foils that you put on. Actually, I'm going to wear this tonight. I like them. These are good, so I'm going to use this. I'm very excited for that. Oh my gosh, I feel like every makeup subscription box gives an Ico eyeliner. Like, I think I have like 3 of these now at this point. They're okay. These are just very thick. Like, they have a thick tip to it. Oh, this is not the thick one. They have a thick one, but that's what the smaller one looks like. They have one with a thicker tip too. But they're okay. I mean, an eyeliner is an eyeliner to me, in my honest opinion. But, oh, this is a travel size. It says travel size. So I would definitely use this though. So I'm happy for it. I forgot to give you prices. I'm being terrible. I'm being a terrible YouTuber. This mask, it says the 6-pack is $25. They don't give the price for just one. This liquid eyeliner doesn't give it for the deluxe size, but it says full size of this is $22. Arrow is Birchbox's brand, just like Glossy Box. Their brand, they have a skincare brand as well. Arrow is Birchbox skincare brand, and I got a Radiant Skin Moisturizer, which I'm going to give away because my skin is oily to combination, so I don't want Radiant, so I won't be using that. I got a Amika Instant Shine Mask, which is this. This retails for $25 for the full size. And then I got a Perfect Shine Oil Mist, which I definitely want to use because my hair is dry. It says Color and Heat Protectant, paraben free. It's by Nature Lab. So that's what she looks like. This retails for $16 for the full size. None of these are full size, but I mean the whole box is $15. So I will say yet again, I loved everything in my Birchbox. No, actually I got a makeup item in here. So that one makeup item, the Macy's Beauty Box had none. So I did like everything. The only thing I wouldn't really use is maybe like the Radiant Skin Moisturizers, but I would use the 4 other things. So for that, I would give it an 8 out of 10. So for this month, out of the 2 makeup subscription boxes, the $15 boxes, I would say that the Birchbox one this time around, I think last month Macy's Beauty Box was like one of my favorites, but actually the Birchbox was one of my favorites as well, but this month we gotta give it to Birchbox. So go Birchbox, go Birchbox. Good job. What do you guys think about my 2 boxes? Which one do you think was better? Let me know in the comments down below. And that's honestly really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't had a chance already to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please do so. Show your girl some love and support. It really helps me out. Thanks again for everybody who's been subscribing. The next video, I'm going to be doing Battle of the UK boxes. I'm going to unbox my Glossy box and my Look Fantastic box for you guys. So if you guys want to know what I got in those boxes and see which one won out of the 2 boxes, then stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys so much. Bye.